Hey guys, today I'll be upgrading the corner lights on my 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. These are some H7 LEDs. So you have your model has the bison and headlights, and you have the two halogen on the inside, and I'll show you at the front of the vehicle afterwards. Those are your corner lights. So these are lights to help you when you're making turns left or right. So you have your low beams on and your fog lights off. You make a turn, it'll activate that light, whether it's the left or the right, as you're making your turn to give you additional light as you're making your corner, and it's supposed to help you, to see when you are making those corners. So obviously this one has the halogen H7s, so I'll be upgrading to some LEDs. It should give me better lighting when when it's dark and it's winter here and through the snow and whatnot. So I'll be upgrading to these LEDs H7s here. So that's what I'll be upgrading to. So anyways, let's head over to the hood, and I'll show you where to locate your lights and how to upgrade them. Right, so here at the front of the vehicle, these are your low beams and high beams, and these ones here on the inside, these are your corner lights, and again they only come on when you're driving and making turns. So first thing, pop your hood and we'll get to the lights. Alright, so once you got your hood open, this side here we're looking is the passenger side. You can tell that's the location of your coolant, and this is your headlight assembly here. Alright, so now that we located the lights here, so again, cooling this here, this first one here right in front of it is your low beam and high beam, and the one we want is this one here, that's just to the inside of it. So to gain access to a light, you have to remove this dust cover. To do that, just gotta have to grab any of the corners here and just pull it straight back, and the cover will come off. Try to get you a better angle here. So the one we need is this one here at the top one. This gray one is your turn signal. The one we want is this one here at the top. Gotta grab this little back end piece and turn it counterclockwise, and that will remove the light. So there is the light here. So we see here on the light, we want, similar to the top piece here on the LED, to be facing this way, because this little tab here needs to go on the top here. So to remove the bulb, grab the outside back round piece, get your fingers between here, and then just wiggle it forward and out. Nice and easy. It should release. Wiggle it out like that. It can be under quite tight, but that's okay. So now we'll grab the LED. Remember, the top piece will go up here, and just line up your two top and bottom connectors, and same thing, just slide it straight back, nice and firm, so that it's nice and flush with the rest of the bracket, the top and the metal the bottom parts here. They should sit flush. So that's that. So same idea, we're gonna put it right back, and then just pay attention to when you put it in, to there's no tabs that really line up, so the bottom piece here needs to sit at the bottom about the middle, and then you should be able to lock it into place. Should go in like that there. So turn it clockwise to lock into place, and all we have to do is get our dust cover. I usually start at the bottom here, put it over there, and then just slide it over, and then make sure that you push it in with your fingers like so, and our cover is back on. Make sure it's all the way down, and that's how you do the passenger side. To do the driver's side is like exact same idea. Driver's side, as you can see here, is our engine air filter, and it's going to be just inside here. I have my plug connector here, but same idea. When I just remove the dust cover off, the exact same way. You have a little bit less room here, but you still have plenty of space to get your hand in there. So I don't know if I can get a good camera angle so you can see there. Maybe like this. That might work. Do the exact same thing. Let's get this cable out of my way. Grab the dust cover. Remove that. Go to do that. And then same thing. Grab the black connector. We're gonna turn it clockwise, or counterclockwise I should say, to release it. Remove the bulb. There's our halogen bulb. So let's get the other one ready. So same thing. We'll grab the bulb. We're gonna just wiggle it out here, so this is where you can grab it from, and just slide it out. Whenever we remove this ones, they can be on there a little bit tight, so just be patient and wiggle nice and slow. There it goes. Grab the new one. Same idea. The little top piece goes to the top. Slide it in there, the two connectors, and then slide it all the way back. So the top and bottom sit flush with the metal piece. Try to get in your view there, but should be sitting like so. So it should be sitting. Okay, doing the same thing. Go and line up your tab here. Again, I will be able to show you there from the angle, but it'll be the exact same idea. Get the lighting here. Alright, so we got her in there. You can see there it's back in the right position. And if we look at the housing here, so you can see from the reflection there, there's the LED all done. So couldn't get a good angle for you to be able to see what was working on it, but that's that. Now same thing as we did with the passenger side. Put the dust cover back on. So same thing. You should start at the bottom and work it around it, and just push it with your fingers down. Make sure it goes all back in. Sits nice and flush. And so that's that. So that's both of the lights now. Alright, so that's how you upgrade or change out the corner and lights on your 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. Fairly easy to do, not very hard at all. So I used these H7 from C-Light, so I'll post in the description down below the link to these lights. Always that's how you do it, fairly easy to do. Thanks for watching. Any comments, questions, let me know.